Hello, everyone. This is our demo of the public annotations network. We built this because social media websites can censor data. They can delete or mutate content. People can block you. There's tons of ways that you can be censored today. And every day, society becomes more dependent on these centrally controlled platforms. Web annotations are a nice way to promote discourse by enhancing web pages, and they are also a W3C recommendation. So using web annotations on top of HackFS and Ethereum, we can reduce the censorship attack vector. So let's now go to a quick demo, and then we can explain how all of this works. So here I am on Twitter, and I already have the pen web extension installed, which is signaled by this yellow pen here. So I can come here up to this tweet page, and I can write something. And I can say, whoa, this looks super cool. And then I can comment that. When I do so, I essentially take my Ethereum wallet and I sign the message, which proves that I was the one making this annotation. This web annotation is then wrapped into a verifiable credential, which is what contains the signature and allows for anyone to verify it. So at this point, my comment has been published. And if I go back, I can see it here. Now I can go again and I can do another one. If we come into another browser and we open the exact same page, so this exact same tweet, just reloading so everyone sees that this is fresh, we can open the annotation here, the extension I mean, and both of them are here, which is super cool. Okay, so how does this work? The web extension allows for an easy user interaction. Then we have a publishing service, which broadcasts and caches annotations. And then we use a subgraph from the graph for easy data access and integration between HackFS and Ethereum. So someone submits an annotation, the publisher takes it, stores it on HackFS. Then when a batch is full, makes an Ethereum transaction. And then the graph captures that Ethereum transaction data and sends it either back to the publisher or directly back to the extension. So back to some questions now. Why do we need a publishing service? It is very important for the system to keep track of the canonical order of all public annotations. It's the only way to make sure that none of them disappear and are censored. So we store annotation logs on Ethereum. However, doing one transaction per annotation would be extremely expensive. Just imagine having to pay for every single tweet or comment that you make. So we came up with this optimization. It's a publishing service that can aggregate transactions and allows just one transaction to record any number of annotations. It could be 1, it could be 10,000. It really just depends on how long you want to wait for the transaction to be processed. This service is not a single point of failure because anyone can run their own. They just need to take the server code and run their own. So what's next? Well, the first thing naturally is to deploy to mainnet and then implement native interactions with HackFS and Ethereum, so that no one can, so that anyone who wants to be totally decentralized can be totally decentralized. Then we could work on creating a network of publishers. So having several entities running their own publishing services, and those entities could then figure out incentive mechanisms to support the infrastructure and transaction costs. We can just imagine that with Ethereum too, this would be insanely cheaper. That's all we have for you. We hope you enjoyed the demo and check out the GitHub repos, install the extension, play around with it, and let us know what you think. Thank you.